唐施耐德工业公司占全世界
gleiche Herausforderung. It manages a staff of 81,000, all imbued with the components.
Multilingualism is an essential part of culture. It expresses the diversity of the peoples on our planet. But multilingualism is a severe handicap to export. To successfully penetrate international markets, companies need to optimize the production and management of their multilingual information. Eurolang has the solution, a new generation of multilingual desktop products. Microsoft and a number of leading multinational companies have already chosen Eurolang technology to dramatically increase the productivity of their multilingual end users. Translators, engineers, secretaries, sales forces, and to localize their products worldwide. Localizing a product and distributing it worldwide is a formidable challenge for most companies in every aspect: cost, time to market, and quality. The volume of technical and commercial translation throughout the world has been estimated at 250 million pages, representing a market of $12 billion. This is just a small part of a potential market estimated at 2.5 billion pages. Currently, this demand cannot be met due to the spiraling cost of translation, between $35 and $90 per page, and obvious limits on corporate budgets. The total world market for multilingual communication is much larger. This includes the information generated directly without translators, by engineers, secretaries, and sales forces, all the people who every day produce multilingual information. This market represents several $100 billion. New technology is the only solution to this problem. Until today, the technologies available have failed to meet the challenge. They were difficult to use and needed dedicated text editors. They were time-consuming and unproductive, requiring extra work, conversion, deformatting, reformatting, and so on. Both users and decision-makers were not convinced. Multilingual end users need a range of truly productive desktop products. Eurolang now offers the only really productive multilingual technology. Eurolang is the only technology on the market with products fully integrated into the end user's desktop environment. You not only lower costs, but also improve your product quality and get your products to market faster. That's why we have called our product Eurolang Optimizer. Eurolang Optimizer is fully multilingual. From an English, French, German, Spanish, or Italian source, you can operate in 20 languages, a range that covers the toughest requirements for your worldwide product localization. Eurolang represents an investment of $100 million and is the result of a partnership between Sonovision ITEP Technologies, a subsidiary of the Cora Group, and Siemens Technologies, a subsidiary of the Siemens Group. Eurolang Optimizer is easy to understand, easy to use, and really productive. During the pre-translation phase, Eurolang Optimizer calls on its translation memories to find previously translated sentences and technical terms. It generates a color-coded pre-translated document that identifies perfect matches, sentences which are already translated, fuzzy matches, sentences which are very close, and known technical terms. And immediately, the volume you have to translate is reduced by around 30%. This means a corresponding cut in your translation budget, or an increase in your production capacity within your existing budget. The pre-translated document is fully integrated with your word processor or desktop publishing system. The translator rapidly finalizes the translation on the basis of the pre-translated items, inserting a perfect match with a simple keyboard shortcut. In the same way, the translator uses a special window to rapidly insert and complete fuzzy match proposals. The user works in a familiar environment and has very little to learn. Your word processor magically becomes multilingual with Eurolang Optimizer. Eurolang Optimizer is integrated with all the software standards in client-server or standalone configurations. PC or workstation-based, Eurolang Optimizer works under Windows, Windows NT and Unix, with word processors and desktop publishing systems such as Word, FrameMaker and Interleaf, and Oracle, Sybase and SQL Server databases, or the Eurolang database for standalone releases. Currently, this covers 80% of the departmental network market, and new integrations are planned over the next few months. In addition to static recognition in the pre-translation phase, Eurolang Optimizer also works dynamically. This means that it recognizes sentences and terms repeated within the same document. The first translation the user enters is automatically proposed for all other occurrences. Another key feature, Eurolang supplies alignment tools so that you can very easily build your own translation memory from existing documents, and a complete range of administration tools allowing you to manage a worldwide network of multilingual users. The performance of Eurolang Optimizer gets better and better the more you use it. The sentences and technical terms are automatically stored in memory during the translation process, improving the detection capacity of the memories and constantly increasing the volume of pre-translated text. We have achieved a reduction of 42% for a software documentation. With Eurolang Optimizer, you get a quick return on your investment. The average cost of a configuration implies a return on your investment in 3 to 6 months. Eurolang Optimizer also offers automatic translation as an option. The translation engine is used as an add-on to the translation memories. If a perfect or fuzzy match already exists for a sentence, it is more productive to use the translation memory. The only difference for users is the possibility of consulting the translations proposed by the machine in a special window. So, the automatic translation option is designed as an add-on, fully integrated with your word processing environment. The gains in productivity obtained can reach 50%. This option is unique on the market. Eurolang represents more than 100 engineers and specialists working every day on the development of the most sophisticated multilingual technologies. Integrated with leading software environments, Eurolang allows you to customize its technology for your particular information system. With Eurolang, you can optimize the management and production of your multilingual information. Eurolang is set to become the world standard for all multilingual desktop activities.